Ooh, this matches my outfit. This wasn't even planned, guys. Hello my loves, I am super excited for today's video because I got some magical mail sent to me, guys, and I cannot wait to show you what's in this box. By the way, yeah, there's a funny story. It's open because I had ordered my mom a Mother's Day present and it never came, so I thought that this was it, and it turned out it was my rep package. So typical Sam. But I want to start off by saying that this video is in no way, shape, or form sponsored, and I am not paid to say anything in this video, guys. This was sent to me by a loving Etsy shop, and the owner is super sweet. And before becoming a brand rep for this shop, I just want to let you guys know that I have purchased from them before, and I've made videos on certain products from her before that were solely out of like my own opinion, and they were just in gift guides and stuff like that. So now that I am a part of the team and I am a brand rep, I will still continue to give you guys my 100% honest feedback and opinions, guys. And let me just tell you guys, you are going to love what's in this box. If you guys are crazy about Harry Potter or any other fandom such as Disney and stuff, you guys really want to check her out because, guys, her shop is amazing. Her products are superb. Her artwork is just, oh, it's to die for, guys. I just really love her shop. And she is currently running a promotion where if you buy 2 or more items on her website, you get 15% off. Or if you just want to buy one thing, use code AHHHH10 to get 10% off on her Etsy shop and her website. But her website has so much awesome things, and so does her Etsy shop, guys, and the shipping is always free. So with all of that said, let's cut all of this chit chat and let's get right into this video. Okay, love, so I have to move all these wiggly worms. Oh, this is so fun. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull is, guys, look, oh, got tangled. Look at this Tri-Wizard Cup replica. She made this. Like, are you kidding me right now? This is stunning. The funniest part is that this was favorited on my Etsy wishlist, I should say. And it's funny that I got sent this, so now I could take that off, but I was planning to purchase this from her. So look how stunning this is, guys. And like I said, you guys could use code AHHHH10 to get 10% off. Or like I said, if you buy 2 or more items on the site, you save 15% off, and the shipping is always free on her site and Etsy shop. Alright, next, look at this Patronus ornament. This is so beautiful, guys. It is stunning. If it was Christmas, these would all go on my tree right now, but it's not. But hey, you know, it is me, so I do weird things, and you know, I might just pull something out just to hang these on. I mean, I have some trees in my house. Not real, of course, but this will look stunning on any tree. Look at this. Okay. Next, we have these gorgeous Patronus earrings. Look at this pouch that they come in. So let's take them out. Aren't these just to die for? Look at this. These are so beautiful. I cannot wait to rock these, guys. You just sneak some magic into your muggle outfits too, so I mean, it's a win-win. Alright, let's see what's next. Look at this, guys. It's a vanishing cabinet earrings. These are stunning. And the amazing detail on this. Rachael is just fabulous, guys. You really should head over to her website. I just adore this so much. And I'm going to get this guy because he keeps tempting me. But look. Look at this Dole Whip ornament. I can't even right now. I am so amazed and blown away, guys. Like, this caught my eye right away, and it's so beautiful. It's making me kind of hungry right now. I actually want one of these, but it is so beautiful. Look at this. Isn't she amazing? Alright, let's see what else we can find in here. More worms, more worms, more worms, more worms. We've got some Dole Whip earrings. Look how cute these are, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cute to go with my summer outfits. I can't wait. I'm gonna wear them with my sundresses and my crop tops and everything. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, let's see what else is in here. More wiggly worms. Okay, we'll go for this one. Look at this. is a Quidditch captain badge, and I do not know if you guys have seen my Christmas gift guide from last year, but I included her in there because, you know, I got a prefect badge and she sent me this one, and look how stunning this is. Her craftsmanship is just superb. And next we have the flying key earrings. Let's get these out of here. Be very careful with them. I love the flying keys, and guys, this is so cute, and look at the little pouch that they come in. Isn't that so cute? I literally had to give Rachel an A+ for her packaging. Everything is so exquisite and beautiful. Look at this. It's a card game, Exploding Horcruxes, and she will show me a little demo on how to play this later on, so head over to my Instagram because I will be posting so many pictures of me and all these products, and I cannot wait, guys. And this looks really fun. Maybe I can get my siblings together and we can play this, because why not? Alright, some more wormies. Look at this. The Sorcerer's Stone as an ornament. This is beautiful. This is stunning. I love this so much. I feel like that's all I'm saying, but her work just blows me away, guys, and this means the world to me. And I just love things from small shops, guys, because they're more personable and you can't get them anywhere else, guys, and they're so special. Oh man, I have to make some room on my shelves for these things because I don't have my Christmas tree up, obviously, so boy oh boy, I cannot wait to put these on there though. Alright, so more wormies. Lots of wormies. Well, there are a lot of fragile things in here, so I cannot blame her for that. Look, some more Dole Whip earrings. How cute. These are beautiful. Do you guys like the red or the blue better? Let me know down below. Okie dokie. Guys, isn't this just the cutest thing that you've ever seen? Look at this. And look at the necklace here. I love this suede material. This is beautiful. Okie dokie. Some more wormies. There's some like really tiny things in here. I do not want to break them or throw them on the ground. That would be really bad. So, some more Patronus earrings. I'm not going to tell you whose Patronus these are. I want to see if you guys can guess down below in the comment section. Look how cute this is. Guys, this is blowing me away. I can't. And I just love the little pouches that they come in. Okie dokie. Let's see. Nothing in between here. Layers and layers of wormies. You guys don't want to see my floor right now, just letting you know. Oh man, that's okay though. This is fun. I love unboxing things, even though I already saw what was inside. This was the first time I ever opened something by accident, you know, and didn't show you guys first, but, you know, we learn. Doo-doo-doo. Hello. Haha. We found something. It's like a needle in a haystack, guys. Look at this ornament. I love the little stretchy band here. That's so cute. Look at this. It's stunning. So smooth. And, let's see. Nothing there. Doo-doo. Guys, look at this. It's the Vanishing Cabinet ornament. Oh my gosh. If you guys love Draco, if you like the dark arts, then this is for you guys. Look how cute this is. I can't. Look at her detailing. I can't get over this. So beautiful. Rachel, you did an amazing job. I love this package so much. Okie dokie. This was right at the top. Try Wizard Cup earrings. It doesn't get any cuter than this, guys. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. I love this so much. Let's dig in here. See what else is in here. I'm gonna have a bit of fun now. Doo-doo. Wormies. Aha. It is Fang. Fang as an ornament. Look at this. It looks like chocolate. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. Her detailing is amazing, guys. So smooth too. I love this so much. And last but not least, guys, look at this miniature. Look at this. It is Buckbeak, the hippogriff. Isn't this just stunning? Look at her detail. I just am blown away. She blew me away with this. I was not expecting this whatsoever. It is stunning. I love this so much. It is gonna look gorgeous in photos and on my shelves. And I'm super happy to receive this. Like, I just can't. Alright, my babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any more uploads of mine. And guys, let me know what your favorite thing was in this unboxing video. And are you guys going to be picking up anything? Don't forget to use code AHHH10 to save some money. Head to her website, head to her Etsy shop, guys, because she has such amazing fandom goodies. You guys will not regret it. Her artwork is so articulate and everything about it is just amazing. And like I said, I was a customer before I was a brand rep for this shop, so all opinions are 100% honest and genuine, and I totally recommend that you guys check her out. And guys, don't forget to leave some comments down below. Let me know what some of your favorite Etsy shops are so I can check them out as well. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on